that this retreat needs to be more interactive than the sessions that we had in Mombasa, so that governors and deputy governors can ask questions of practical things that they are dealing with to be able to improve. Because if we do just normal presentations that are in the Constitution and the law, telling you what the law says, it may not address certain challenges that we have. One of the issues that we were discussing with the Vice Chair, and that affects most of our counties, for example, is pending bills. So if you tell me that a pending bill needs to be paid, that's not sufficient. But for us to be able to interrogate those pending bills, what if this is the conversation, I'm giving an example of a conversation that we may want to have. What if I dispute, because like Kirinyaga County disputed the original pending bills list, it was close to $1 billion. We came down to 700, we still disputed up to 500. So we've been paying the 520 something on a yearly basis, every year 100 million. What happens to the other pending bills that we disputed that I am not comfortable to pay as governor? And I find them maybe questionable, or maybe do not have the requisite documentation according to the governor. Those kind of questions would need to be addressed. On PPP, for example, I've seen this PPP. Kirinyaga County made a presentation on PPP. We followed the law to the end. We gave 5 proposals. It got to Treasury and it died. So those kind of the conversation that we want to hear today from the National Treasury, from CRA, is the practical things that we are dealing with as governors, so that we can be able to make devolution work better for us and find ourselves in less problems.